Sochin! Sochin! What's up guys, welcome to Ultimate Karate. In today's lesson we're learning Kata Sochin. So if you guys are ready, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so Kata Sochin. First things first, you're going to take your bow, os. From here get into yoi. It's a standard yoi position. Now to do the first move, I'm going to step forward with my right leg and then wind up nice and tall with my right hand into Fudodachi, which is aka Sochin Dachi, and that is a front stance combined with the horse stance. So if I'm in a horse stance, basically all I'm gonna do is shift my weight to the front from here. And that is how you do Fudodachi, the immovable stance. Okay, this hand's like a rising block, this hand's like a down block. It's a double trouble, double block. Now from here, I'm gonna step forward. Most of this kata is done in Fudodachi, the Sochin stance. Okay, so from here, step forward, right hand chambers, and then wind up into tate shuto, okay, for a double punch. All right, maintain your stance. This kata is all about the stance. And compress, from here, double punch, ich, knee, okay? Now from this position, we step with our left leg into kokutsudachi, manjioke. Okay, shift to the back. Now from here, strong, coming down into Fudodachi, okay, your Sochin stance. Same sequence as the first move. From here, chamber into tate shuto, shift to the front, and compress. Okay, double punch. Now from here, manjioke to the other side, left. Okay, left hand, left leg forward. Same thing, slam down into Fudodachi. Okay, high and low, rechamber, step forward to Fudodachi. Okay, from here, again, nice frame, compress, down, double punch, ich. Now from here, I'm gonna chamber my hands to my right side. At the same time, yoko geri, and then into empiuchi, all right? Other side, same thing, very basic, but the only thing is you're landing into Fudodachi, your Sochin stance. From here, chamber, yoko geri, and then strike. Okay, from that second side snap kick to empiuchi, you're gonna rotate to your right side, to your back, into kokutsudachi, shutoke. Again to the corner, very basic. One more time to the corner, and then to the middle. From the middle, you do one more shutoke going down. Now from here, I'm gonna take a slight shift going forward, and I'm gonna land in a half stance. At the same time, I press block and strike. So my hand comes underneath. So I'm here, 1. Okay, it's like not a full back stance, but halfway position. 1, I kick with my front leg, maigeri keage. Front snap kick, again step, at the same time as the second kick. As I re-chamber, I shift, left hand, uraken strike, right hand frank to protect, and land. Okay, this is block, this is strike, and the stance is Fudodachi. So after the kiai here, I'm gonna swing around with a crescent kick and land in the signature position. So if I'm here, reach, okay, low, high, Fudodachi. Stepping to the corner now, I'm gonna go uchi-oke, inside block. Okay, this is all done in Fudodachi. Your Sochin stance, step forward, oizuki. Again, uchi-oke, oizuki. Again to the middle, so that's double uchi-oke. Maigeri keage. From here, before I step down, start to position like jion. Wind up, finish with double punch, and second punch kiai. And then yame. And then bow. Os. Alright, so now let's practice. Starting off in yoi position. This is Kata Sochin. Ready. Ich. Ni. San. Shi. Go. Look. Switch. Punch. Two. H. Knee. Some. She. Go. Look. Switch. Punch. Two. H. Knee. High. Some. She. Go. Look. Switch. Punch. Two. Yame. Bye bye.